team always goes above and beyond, and that's just because that's who they are. I don't think I've ever called upon any of our team members for help, and they haven't answered my call and dropped everything to help me in any way that they can.
Every single year, the district does multiple surveys, and the surveys go out to staff, go out to students, and go out to divisions, even as well as parents. And I will tell you, for numerous years, our department, the facilities department, has always been a top-ranking division.
So this past June, we had a lot of retirees. We had over 150 years worth of service, experience, and knowledge retire from our department. And we knew that with hiring, replacing that many years of service would be a challenge. And we've had day leads work night shifts. We've had people cover in other buildings. Our team has really come together to make sure our buildings are covered and things are taken care of. With the recent flooding that we had in the district, all 6 of our buildings were affected in some way, some worse than others, like our high school probably got it the worst. But every single person that we called at 6 a.m. on a Sunday morning, they all showed up and they all did what needed to be done. So they really stepped up, and we were able to open school on time.
We have a very unselfish team that works really well together. And I think the best part about it is I really feel a sense of them always modeling like servant leadership. You know, we're here to serve and support the school community as a whole. I think they do a really great job at that.
To me personally, and to our organization here, Menomonee Falls School District, it's a very great honor to be recognized by an organization like WASBO.
We think this is awesome because this is a recognition of our hard work we've been putting in day after day, year after year.
Actually, I'd like to thank our entire custodial staff, our facilities management team, and even all the teachers and administrators that we get so much support from.
I've been a part of WASBO for a while, quite a few years now, and got my certification a while ago. I keep going back for more because I like to keep learning. I just think it's a great organization, and like I said, we're excited about this award as a team.